guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Saksham and today we have got a new product with us over here which is very popular in today's generation. So this is the brand new GoPro Hero 11 Black and most of you are already familiar with it. As you can see, its box, it is also very well designed and this comes in a pure black color which is very much nice also. And here are so many various features, but I will explain it in very short, okay? So please don't skip the video even a little bit, because if you miss out anything of this action camera, you will regret a lot. So that's why please don't skip the video and watch till the end. So let's start the unboxing. Okay, so this is our new GoPro Hero 11 Black. Here are given so many features about this GoPro. So first of all, let us unbox our GoPro and then I will say you about all of these features in a very short way, okay? So let's start its unboxing. Okay, so here we have got our GoPro's bag. So this GoPro comes in this aesthetic bag, okay? See, this bag is also pure black and it is very hard also. So even if you beat it a lot, nothing is gonna happen to your GoPro. So your GoPro is very much safe inside this bag. So now let us see what is inside of this bag also. So here we will just take it out like this, and here we have got our first instructions on how to operate our GoPro. So here first only we can see that here is written clearly that your camera must be updated before you can use it. So when you buy a new GoPro for the first time, it is not that when you buy immediately you can use it by putting the battery and the SD card, okay? So it is not like that. You have to first of all connect a GoPro with your smartphone and then it will update your GoPro, okay? So it will run all the firmware update that is needed to run your GoPro, and then only you can use your GoPro. Or else if you just put the battery, then also it won't turn on, okay? That's why first of all you need a smartphone and then you have to connect it with that. Okay, so here is our GoPro. Like you guys can see, this tiny little action camera it is, but it is very much powerful. So first thing is that it can shoot 5.3K photos and videos, okay? So there are other also many features and functions which I'll be saying you while I'm doing the unboxing, okay? So first of all, let us take out our GoPro. So you guys can see that there is a bit bubbles in these stickers, you know, so it's not looking like it's new, because while I was buying this GoPro, I was also checking how this GoPro is looking like, so they mistakenly took out the sticker, okay? Okay, so this will again go back here, and now let's pull off these stickers as well. Okay, one sticker, two sticker, it's so satisfying to pull it. And the last one is at this back side. So this is the main screen of our GoPro. Okay, so our sticker is out of this also. And here under this GoPro you get these two things. Now what are these two things is that these you can take it out like this one take out, this one take out, and this can be used to attach in any kind of place. And then here in this side of the GoPro, this part is the main part, because here you will be attaching your battery and your SD card. So this GoPro supports up to 256 GB of storage. So you can put an SD card of up to 256 GB in this GoPro, okay, which is a lot of space. And also it uses a micro SD card, which I have already bought right here. See, this is a 256 GB SD card of SanDisk. And do you guys also know that I have many other accessories of GoPro, which is right here. See, here is one media mode, here is a waterproof case for GoPro, and here is a selfie stick, or let's say a tripod type of thing for GoPro, okay? So these three things also I have. So if you also want an unboxing video of these three things, then please say me in the comment box. I will make it in my next video. So now I will be showing you the two main buttons in this GoPro. So in the other side, this side we have to keep the battery and SD card, which I'll keep now. And then on the other side, what you get to see is here Here you get to see an on off button over here, which can use to be turned on and off, and this is the record button, or you can also use it for photo shoot. Okay, if you have photo mode and video mode enabled, both you can do it. Okay, so now let's see where is our battery in here. So it is right here, this white color one. This is our GoPro's battery here inside. Okay, so see here. Okay, so one more special thing about this GoPro battery is that this GoPro battery can provide up to 2 hours and 30 minutes of live continuous shoot in the 5.3K quality. Okay, so if you are shooting your GoPro video in the 5.3K quality, which is a lot, right? So it requires a lot of battery, so it can provide 2 hours and 30 minutes, which is a lot of time for shooting a video in that quality, okay, by this tiny little action camera. And if you use it for normal quality, for example 4K or HD, in that kind of quality, then it can provide up to 5 hours of continuous shooting, which is a lot. So 5 hours you can use this, and if you want you can buy this separate battery also. So when this finish you can use this, when this finish you can use this, and you can keep each other in charge time to time. So now let us keep this GoPro batteries aside, we will attach it, but let's see what else we will get to see in this box. So here are 3 of the main things remaining in this GoPro. So one is this GoPro mounter, like which I said earlier. This also has this kind of rings, like see I showed you right before, 3 rings. So these rings can be attached here. If we pull out this part and this part, then what we can do is these rings can be attached in our GoPro. Yeah, see it is attached, and here we will get a screw also, which is also right here. So let me take it out. Okay, here is a screw, and what we will do is we will just tight the screw here like this. Okay, so now our GoPro is fully attached, and now there is no chance of it falling. And then another last thing in our box is this GoPro. Let's say this is also mounter only, but this is a sticker. So you can use it to attach it in your helmet, okay, motorcycle helmet or any other place like cycle's helmet also you can use it to attach. This part will go directly inside here, okay. So after you paste this sticker, then this part which is just attached to our GoPro, it will go inside and then it will be attached, and then it will not come out, and then you can use it to shoot the photos and videos. Okay, so these are the only things which are in our box. So now let's keep our battery in this GoPro, and then this SD card also, and I will also be connecting this with my smartphone so that it can run the updates, or else I cannot use it. So please give me some time, then I will skip all the part and directly come with you with the recordable GoPro. Okay, I have updated my GoPro. Now let us keep our mobile aside. I have done all the necessary updates, so we'll just press this button like this, and see our GoPro has been turned on, and also the LED lights were blinking. Okay, see the picture quality is also so nice in this GoPro. Here you will get to see 2 screens. Okay, one is this screen, and another is this rear view screen also. And here you guys can also see the exact same thing that is shown in this back side one huge screen. Okay, so see here, for example, I am seeing myself right now in this GoPro, and then in this back side also you can see that I am seeing, and in the front side also you can see that I am seeing here. Okay, so that's why, see, both combination here also and here also. So when you are taking the selfies also, you can see it here. Then you can take your selfies very easily by keeping it backside or somewhere. If you want to take, and if you want to shoot photos and videos, you can turn like this and you can see what is in front of you also like this. And here are also various settings. Okay, so let me say you some of the most amazing features about this GoPro Hyper Smooth 4.0 feature, which is the most stabilization technology which is made by the GoPro. Okay, so it can stabilize your video so much that even if you shake it a lot, nothing will happen to your video. It will be just like, a gimbal. Okay, The feature of this GoPro slow motion is that it actually doesn't make your video go in slow motion, but it will increase the frame rate so that when you edit it, then you can slow down your video. For example, it supports up to 8K slow motion, which is 240 frames per second. So this GoPro can shoot 240 fps, okay, which is a lot, because most of the normal smartphones also they only shoot in up to 60 fps, right? But this GoPro can shoot in 240 fps, so you can slow down your video up to 8 times from that slow motion. That's why there is given so many fps, okay. The hyper view mode. Now according to name only it is dangerous, right? Because this is hyper view. So see here, I will record it and see. Everything seems so circular, right? See here. See, everything is so wide view, right? So in this you can capture a lot of area in this hyper view mode. And another is there is this time lapse mode also, okay. So this time lapse mode can shoot in real speed and half speed. So you can just turn on your GoPro and it will shoot a lot, and automatically at the same time it will make your video in fast forward and make it time lapse, okay. And this GoPro is also fully waterproof up to 33 feet, which is 10 meters. Okay, and this GoPro has a 2.27 inch touchscreen also in this backside. This is not a touchscreen, okay. This is just to see your photos and videos, but this is not a touchscreen. This is only a touchscreen. Voice control, which is a super cool feature for this GoPro. Okay, so let's just, okay, I will just keep my hands on the below side, okay. So the capture button is here, so just see, okay. I will not touch it, I will just say it remotely, okay. So see here, GoPro take a photo. See, it took a photo. So we can swipe up and we can see the photo also, okay. See here, this is the photo of our GoPro, so from voice control. Now we can also shoot photos and videos as well. So see here, okay, GoPro start recording. See, if I say start recording, it started to shoot the video. Now if I say GoPro stop recording, see, it stopped the video, and now we can go back to see, this is the same video which I told, right? So that is the voice control. And not only that, there are various commands in this voice control. Now you can also turn off your GoPro with the voice control. GoPro turn off. See, so simple. And this GoPro also has a GP2 processor, which is a very fast processor, and it will never cause any lagging in your GoPro. So see, the FPS of our display is also very smooth, right? And no lag at all. It won't make anything lag only, okay, because this is very fast processor, so you can shoot photos and videos very normally also. So I hope you enjoyed today's video of this GoPro. This tiny little action camera seems tiny, but it is very much powerful. So if you want to buy this GoPro, I will give the purchase link in the description. Please go and check it out, okay. And if you also want to buy other accessories which I showed earlier, these 3 accessories, I will give these 3 accessories purchase link also in the description, okay. Please go and check that out as well. And if you want an unboxing video of these 3 accessories, same in the comment box, I will make it for sure. And then this GoPro was very helpful. If you have any doubts related to this GoPro, then you can ask me in the comment box, I will answer them all. So thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Till then, bye bye.